What's going on, guys? Britta here, back with more Flexbox Zombies, and today we're on Chapter 10, Read Between the Lines, on line content. Almost there, kid. Today we fight our way through their last defenses. I'm ready, Chuck. You've trained me well. It was all you, kid. Whatever happens today, know that I'm very proud of you. It looks like they're doubling down on the multiple waves strategy. Smart move. It looks like they're changing up the way the wrapped lines behave. Normally the zombie lines stretch to fill up the space, but we can change how we target the lines with a new crossbow setting called align content. I'll show you how to use it. Here they come. The zombies' lines stretch by default, so leaving align content setting off is the same as setting it to align content stretch. These lines are stretched default, so just set your crossbow to flex wrap, and your lines will stretch to match. Good. This new align content setting is a lot like align items, except it controls the wrapped lines rather than the individual zombies in those lines. These lines of zombies are arranged towards the top of your blue alignment laser. Use align content flex start to take them out. Good. The zombies' ability to control how their lines arrange is very impressive. Glad I added the align content setting, or that would have been the end of us. These lines are bunching up at the bottom of the free space. Use align content, flex end. When they do that. Nice. Align content works the same as align items. It goes with the direction you read in. Flex start is the top and flex end is the bottom when you're shooting horizontally like this. When shooting vertically like this, align content flex in arranges the lines to the right. Same concept as before. You start reading at the left, end at the right. Whoops. You're sharper than you look, kid. These lines are bunching up in the middle. They just can't shake that obsession with centering, can they? Go ahead and set your crossbow to align content center to match. Good. They must not have realized yet that our handy crossbow is extremely good at targeting centered zombies. Ah, now look at that advanced UI, Undead Intelligence. They've spaced their lines similar to how they would with Justify content, but instead of spacing zombies along your red Justify laser, they're spacing the lines along your blue alignment laser. Set it to align content space around. You know it's space around when the outer lines have space on both sides like that. I thought they'd try this next. Instead of space around the lines, these ones only distribute the free space between the lines. Set align content to space between. You know, it's space between when the lines have no space on their outer edges but stick right to the edge like these did. Important to read between the lines. Okay, kid, tell me what you've gathered about align content setting. When there gets too many zombies to fit in a single line and they start wrapping to new lines, those lines can be arranged in several different ways perpendicular to the direction I'm shooting, along the crossbow's blue alignment laser. Good. What are the different tactical positions the zombie lines can form? They can center to bunch the lines up in the middle. They can flex start to bunch towards either the top when shooting horizontally or the left when shooting vertically. They can flex end to bunch towards either the bottom when shooting horizontally or to the right when shooting vertically. Right, how about spacing tricks? They can distribute free space around all the lines with space around or between all the lines with space between. The way to know the difference is if there's space on the outer edges of the outer lines, then you know it's space around. Excellent. Heads up. There's more waves coming. You got this? Definitely. Alright, so we need to do... That's weird that it started like that, but display flex direction is row reverse. Remember the align content settings and you'll be just fine. Align content center. It's not center space around. No. That's weird that it started out with that. Align on items, flex start. Oh. Flex wrap. And this needs to be center. Great shot. Alright, now don't forget to set both align content for the lines and align items for the individual zombies. So display, flex, and align items, flex end, flex wrap, set to wrap, and then align content, flex end. There you go. That's something to watch out for. When the zombies are wrapped to multiple lines, it can be hard to determine which align items position they're using, but you did just fine. Looks like we got a grower thrown into the mix. So flex, display, flex. Alright, and then we got align items, flex start, and then we've got flex wrap, and then to target the grower, we do flex grow 1. Align content, flex end. That's not right. Oh, space between. What am I missing? Zombies are aligned along your blue alignment laser. Match them by setting your crossbow to align items center. Now that's weird. It didn't seem like they were. Got him. Jolly good shooting, kid. They've got a sneaky justify content setting. Don't miss it. Display flex. Flex direction is column reverse. And then we got justify content, flex end. No, that's not right. We're going to do align items, flex end. We got to do flex wrap. Maybe this isn't flex end, but center. Maybe this is center, and this is flex end. Heck yeah. Sweet. You combine lots of settings for that one. Nicely done. I got this old injury acting up again. I'm going to take care of it while you fend them off. Display flex. Align items. Flex start. Flex wrap. Align content, flex start, justify content, flex start. Something's not right here. Last time this was center, but I don't think that's right. No, it's not center. We got flex wrap, we got display flex, we got flex start, online items, flex start, center. Yeah, I don't think that should be center. I think it should be flex start. Flex start. None of them appear to be growing or shrinking. The zombies are aligned along your blue alignment laser. Match them. Align items. Flex end. That's weird. Very good. Tending to an injury. Display. Flex. Align items. Center. This guy is flex grow 1. Align content center. Flex wrap. I think this is going to be flex end. No. Align content center. Align items. It's not really center. Flex wrap. Justify content center. Flex end. Okay, what am I missing? If that grow is wrong. The zombies are aligned along your blue alignment laser. Match them by setting your crossbow to align items flex end. I thought I did that. Flex end. Nice. Boom, Chuck, we're doing it. They're retreating to surround Dave's tent. Time to give that monster what he deserved. Chuck, you okay? I don't know, kid. I'm a bit worse off than I thought. Before you showed up, I tried to take Dave on by myself. Let's just say it didn't go well, and I was left with this wicked cut on my side. Pulls back robe to reveal an infected, gaping wound in his side. Oh no, Chuck, that looks horrible. Why didn't you say something? No point in whining about it now, is there? Dave and his minions stole our entire stash of meds months ago. Nothing to be done about it except fight, but I'm afraid I won't be of much help to you now. Passes out and collapses on the ground. Chuck, don't you dare die on me. I'm going to kill Dave and get the meds back. You're going to be okay. Hang on, friend. And that is the end of chapter 10. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.